guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm box. This is for the month of August, and this month's theme is Go All Out. Let's jump into it. I would like to put a little disclaimer that Boxycharm did send me this box to try.
I'm dangerous, you see. Nobody disagrees. I bring the cavalry. I'm at the top, you know.
So the first product in this month's Boxycharm box is this Somerville Exfoliate Moisturizer. And you guys, I used this last night for the first time, and not only does it smell absolutely amazing, but it made my skin just feel so moisturized. And it's kind of on the thicker side too, which I absolutely love. I love a good kind of thicker moisturizer. This is going to really revive your dull, lackluster skin and just put all that moisture and hydration back into it.
You wanna fall in love.
The Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer retails for $70. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Pure Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, and this has SPF 40 in it. This is going to give you a natural glowy coverage, but it's also going to moisturize, brighten, and help improve fine lines and wrinkles. And I actually have this on today, you guys, and you know I'm a full coverage kind of queen, but this looks really, really nice. I approve. The Pure Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream retails for $38. Next, we have the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist, and this is kind of like step 2 of your skincare routine. And I used this last night as well, and it just kind of gives the skin that refreshed kind of hydration, moisturization kind of feel. So this mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants, and it's gonna give your dull skin that healthy, glowy kind of look. The Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist retails for $38. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Clarins New York Stimulating Retinol Serum. This is a 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E, so it's really going to penetrate the skin and get down deep where it needs to be and hydrate and moisturize the skin. It also promotes skin cell renewal and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The Clarins New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum retails for $24.99. And last but not least in this month's Boxycharm, you guys, we have the Rockin Cosmetics All Night Bender Mascara. And I used this today and absolutely love it, you guys. I love how the wand has a slight curve to it, so you're really going to coat every single lash. This is vegan and cruelty-free. The Rockin Cosmetics All Night Bender Mascara retails for $29. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this month's Boxycharm box. Boxycharm is only $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and everything in the box retails for over $100, you guys. So you're getting a steal. It's such a great way to find out about new brands or products that you might not have known about before. Such a great way to grow your collection and get porch presents every month and just have it all in 2021. Also, Charmers get exclusive offers to purchase from top beauty brands at discount prices. So what are you waiting for, you guys? Go get your Boxycharm today. I want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.